So, I believe I see it. The supermarket that I like to go to in Spain normally is called Mercadona. And I like it because, I don't know, it has everything that I need every time. But this one's nice though. This is like a circle, which is pretty cool. And let's walk in. They have escalators like going up in the store, but I think that's for me. So I'll first start down here and see if they have what I'm looking for, which is, I think the first thing I will grab is eggs. Eggs are the first thing that I'm gonna grab. Let me look for them. I see milk, I see bread, I see yogurt. A lot of yogurt here. Yogurt with protein. A lot of yogurt. Do you guys like yogurt? Maybe I'll get one. Maybe I'll get one. I'm not sure. Well, first I will get this butter that I actually had in Barcelona that was pretty good. Let's see. What's next? Alright, here are the breads. I think I'm just gonna get a little bread like this. Not one of the big ones. Let me see if I could grab one. Oh, that's 3. Oh, these are 3 in a bag. Oh, I thought they were just singles. They have singles? I think these are the only singles here. But I don't need all that bread. There's 3 in there. Huh. Oh, I can take one bread here. I'll take one bread from here. Actually, this time I ended up getting the big bread like this. I didn't need it, but oh well. I guess I would just eat more bread today. Now we're gonna go upstairs to the meat because I think that's where the eggs are. I didn't see any eggs on this floor. So we're gonna go up one floor. So now we're going up. We're going up. Orange. That's a fruit. Orange. Let's see. So currently I have the butter, the bread, and now we just need the eggs. Maybe, what else? I forgot what I said. I don't know. It's going to come to me. Let's see. Look at all of the meat here. Wow. That's so cool. Good meat. Let me see. This looks good. Let me see. Is there any cheese that I want? I don't think so. Let's see. Bacon. I don't think so either. I don't think I'm gonna do bacon. I like bacon, but I just don't like to eat it so much because I know if I buy a package like this, I'm going to eat it all, and I don't want to eat it all because I don't feel good after. So I found the eggs and we will take one. The eggs are brown, that's their color, and there are 24 eggs in a pack. 24. So let's go ahead and get one. I think I'll take these. And now I think I'm going to get some water and soda. That's what I need. Water and soda. Water. And here we have the soda. Now I think I got everything I basically need. We have the drinks, which is the soda and the water. We have something to eat, which is the eggs and the bread. something to cook with, the butter, and also I don't have to get much stuff because I will be eating at restaurants. So, you know, I don't have to get much stuff, but just a little bit of stuff. Let me see if there's anything else. Lastly, I will get some chicken slices just to eat as well. They're small and I could eat them without worrying about eating too much because they are thinly sliced the way they're cut. So I will buy them. And I think that's all for today. Hey guys, so I just returned back from the grocery store and now I have all the groceries that I have to put away. Groceries being the food that I purchased from the supermarket, and I'm gonna try the chicken to see if I like the taste. But let's see it. We see the chicken has a white yellow color. It's a light color and it's very thin. It's very thin. So let's try. It's actually good. If you guys enjoyed this video of comprehensible input going shopping with me, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you guys here next time. I hope you guys learned some new words. I hope you guys understood most of what I was saying, and I hope it helps you guys build your own vocabulary and build your own way of speaking when you are speaking English. So good luck, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.